So for these questions, we're finding a fraction of a number. And normally, to find a fraction of a number, we divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. But for these questions, we need to do it the other way round, because if we try to divide 11 by 8, we'll get a remainder. So it's easier to multiply by the numerator first, and then to divide by the denominator. So for 7/8 of 11, we can write our question out as 7 times 11 over 8, because remember, a fraction is really a division. So 7 times 11 is 77, and if we have 77 over 8, to change our answer back to a mixed number, we can divide. 77 divided by 8 is 9 remainder 5, so the 9 is our whole number, and the remainder 5 is our numerator. The denominator stays the same, so 9 and 5/8 is our answer. Now we need to find 3/4 of 23. We can't divide 23 by 4 without getting a remainder, so instead we're going to multiply 3 by 23 and then divide by 4. 3 times 23 is 69, so we have 69 over 4, and if we want to change that back to a mixed number, we need to work out 69 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 2. 29 divided by 4 is 7 remainder 1, so the remainder is our numerator and the denominator stays the same. So 3/4 of 23 is 17 1/4. Now 3/5 of 17. 17 divided by 5 leaves a remainder, so we need to start by multiplying our numerator. So we need to work out 3 times 17. 7 times 3 is 21, so 2, 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 3 times 17 is 51, so we have 51 over 5. So to change that back into a mixed number, we need to divide. 51 divided by 5 is 10 remainder 1, so 10 is our whole number, 1 is our numerator, and the denominator stays the same, so our answer is 10 1/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.